Okay, hi everyone, welcome back for another video. For those who don't know me, I'm back, passionate. Welcome to my channel, bienvenue. This video will have no intro because it's just a small video, an update video concerning my Longchamp Pliage Galop XS. You know, the one that just broke a few weeks before. And I promised you that I keep you updated, so here we are. I did not bring it back to the boutique myself because at the moment I'm really busy, but I think you are too with this period. So it's my sister who kindly picked the bag and bring it to my boutique in Avignon because thankfully and happily, she has to go there for some other meetings. So she just went to the store and she brings the bag back. And have a look at my video where I explain everything about how it broke. Yes, sorry for my English. And so first she asked if I can have an exchange. So I will have another bag really fastly. Unfortunately, we have no more of this bag available. So the bag will be sent to the Longchamp repair. And as you know, the repair will be open again in January. So at the moment, my bag is somewhere and Longchamp will take care of it beginning January. So I am super sad, as I said, because I won't have this bag for the holidays. Because in France we have some holidays between Christmas and New Year's Eve, so I'm quite sad because I have planned to bring this bag with me for my little travels. So, but it's the situation, I can do nothing. I just hope that the repairs will not last longer. I keep fingers crossed and we'll see. So this is just an update. I keep you informed, of course. I think maybe next video concerning this bag will be in January, maybe end January or beginning February. I don't know how long the repair will last, but I will keep you informed, guys. And just because this video has no sense, just I'm showing you the bag I will take with me today. This is my Longchamp Gatsby. Look at this. I love this bag in this period due to the color, and I think it's super elegant. Don't mind my outfit because I will change myself, but for what I'm going to wear and the coat I am going to use, it's perfection. It's super elegant. It's a quilted bag. In lambskin, it's super puffy. I love it. It's a really soft leather. It's a pleasure to touch. I love it because you simply add it on your shoulder and it's okay because I'm going to an event, a Christmas event with my kids, and I need to have both hands free. And yes, I really love it. Easy to use. Just you have to turn the lock like this. And you have everything. So just a quick what's in my bag. You know this pochette, I have my hand cream, I've got my tissue, everything. My compact wallet, because it's super great, my document for the car, and my card holder. I changed, I do not have the blue, I changed for the Cypress one, because I love it's completely Christmas vibe, so let's go. And that's all. And okay, some papers and so on. The bag has a zip pocket here. I use it sometimes, but today I put nothing inside. And I also have here, I love this print. I have two flap pockets and something really nice with this bag. You have a back pocket, a magnet one, you hear? And it closes very well. I love the space is quite enough, so I can put my car key, the key of my house, super practical. And as I said, I've got, oops, let me close it. I put everything like this, it's secure and I'm okay. So guys, sorry for this little video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please write in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer you. Have a look at my other video and we keep in touch. More video are coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care and we see you next time. Bye bye. Bisous.